First thing we're going to need when we're making Chicago-style deep dish pizza with a sausage crust is a deep dish Pyrex pan. Next, we'll take 5 links of our favorite no sugar added Italian sausage, remove them from the casing, and press them into the bottom of the Pyrex glass dish. After pressing the sausage into the bottom of the glass dish, we'll take it and put it in the oven at 375 and start checking it after 10 minutes. So with your Italian sausage mostly browned, now's the time you want to add your mushrooms if you're adding mushrooms. And I like to mix my mushrooms with some pesto sauce. So I've got 3 small 6-ounce cans of organic mushrooms that I drained. And then I've stirred them up with some no sugar added pesto sauce. We'll be adding that to the top of the sausage. Then we'll be putting it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes to kind of take some of the moisture out of the mushrooms. So this is what it looks like after you add the mushrooms and pesto. Now we're going to put it back in the oven here for 4 minutes. Now that the mushrooms have had time to dry out a little bit, we're going to add our cheese. After we add our cheese, we're going to sprinkle it with a little bit of dried basil and then drizzle it with olive oil so it allows the top to brown really well. So this is what it looks like after we added the mozzarella cheese, the basil, and drizzled it with olive oil. And now we're going to put it back in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes. Now that our cheese is bubbly and brown, we're going to add the sauce to the top. It's approximately 2 cups of no sugar added marinara sauce with about a tablespoon of pesto added. A lot of people prefer to use Rao's, but it seems to have a little bit more added sugar than the Victoria. Now that we've spread our marinara sauce evenly over the top of the pizza bake, we're going to put it back in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. Now that the top's done baking, we pull it out of the oven, let it set for 20 minutes before serving.